Uhuru, Comrade Makola. We're here again tonight in front of Downing Street. There's a big crowd of Africans from the Congo. And the election day has gone. They've proclaimed Kabila as the winner of the election. And the people say it wasn't their choice. What do you think we should do, and what do you think we should go from here?
First of all, I just want to say that what you're seeing here is victory. Is victory to the African people, because they cannot stop us from being on the street. They cannot stop us in Egypt. They cannot stop us in Ivory Coast. They cannot stop us in the Congo. This is victory to us. We knew that imperialist country, we knew that France, America, Britain will put Kabila as their choice. We knew that. We knew that, but what we're saying is now, it's our time to organize, because this is the power of the African people. We have told David Cameron that we are going to be on the street every single day to let them know the time is up for them. They cannot rule Africa as they used to. They cannot determine what happens in Africa anymore. As I speak right now, we are organizing here, outside Downing Street. Africans in Belgium are organizing. Africans in France are organizing. Africans in Africa, in the Congo, are organizing against the colonial, neo-colonial army of Kabila and the British and American government who are supporting him. So we're saying,
Congolese, show your support.
We're saying this isn't about being Congolese, because the people who are killing us are not just British. They're American, they're French, they're from Rwanda, they're from Uganda, they're from Angola, and Congolese too. So we cannot fight just as Congolese. We cannot fight just, this is why we lost. In the 60s, we lost because we fought as Congolese. Today, we will win because we have to fight as Africans. We are 2 billion people, Africans, all around the world. And we are saying it's about time we organize. We organize in the Congo, we organize in Angola, we organize in Uganda, Burundi, we organize in Nigeria, in Ivory Coast, we organize in London, we organize in France, because we say this: if Congo burns, then we must be able to organize to make sure that Britain burns, to make sure that France burns, to make sure that America burns, to make sure that Australia burns, to make sure that USA burns. So we know that we cannot defeat them as Congolese, but we can defeat them as Africans. We have to get organized.